Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you listen to music with one earphone? And yes, you can put only one earphone to the charging case or remove only one from the case and then close the case and use the second one. To prove it for you, we're gonna go to the settings and Bluetooth, and as you can see I still have connection with the earbuds, but I use only one. But you cannot pair your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to pair both of your earbuds with a device. But these earbuds have dual connection, so you can connect two devices to your earbuds simultaneously. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!